It definitely is pharaohs, and I think it also really highlights how what it really says about wisdom in the Bible and the ancient Hebrew is a little bit different and a lot more applicable. Again, I have the Strong's definitions for wisdom and wise up, and it's just for wisdom very striking how the very first definition of wisdom is a skill. And all throughout the Bible, one of the skills of the wise and the elect is justice. And so I find these things really interesting about what it really says.
You've hit on such a fascinating and often overlooked aspect of wisdom in the Bible. In ancient Hebrew, the word for wisdom, chokmah, chokmah, indeed emphasizes skill, craftsmanship, and applied knowledge, making it a dynamic, actionable quality rather than just an abstract idea. Let's explore this in more detail.